Q8586. An aircraft magnetic compass is swung to update the compass correction card when A. An annual inspection is accomplished on the aircraft. B. The compass is serviced. C. Equipment is added that could affect compass deviation. The correct answer is C. An aircraft magnetic compass is swung to update the compass correction card when equipment is added to the aircraft that could potentially affect the compass deviation. Adding or modifying equipment, such as radios, avionics, or other magnetic sources, can introduce magnetic interference and cause deviations in the aircraft's magnetic compass. Swinging the compass involves a procedure where the aircraft is systematically aligned with known magnetic headings, and any deviations are recorded on a compass correction card. This ensures that the compass readings remain accurate despite the presence of new equipment or magnetic influences. Annual inspections or compass servicing may not necessarily require swinging the compass unless there is a specific need to verify or update the compass correction card. 8587. Which of the following operating mechanisms would be found in a hydraulic pressure gauge? A. Borden tube. B. Pressure diaphragm. C. Evacuated bellows. The correct answer is A. A hydraulic pressure gauge typically uses a Borden tube as its operating mechanism. A Borden tube is a curved, hollow metal tube that straightens when pressure is applied. As hydraulic pressure increases, the Borden tube straightens, and this motion is transferred to a mechanical linkage, which then displays the pressure reading on the gauge face. The Borden tube is a common and reliable method for measuring pressure in hydraulic systems. Pressure diaphragms and evacuated bellows are used in other types of pressure measuring devices, but are not typically found in hydraulic pressure gauges. 8588. What is the fixed line mark attached to the compass bowl of a magnetic compass called? A. Reader line. Unit systems. B. Lubber line. C. Reference line. The correct answer is B. The lubber line is a fixed line marked on the compass bowl of a magnetic compass. It is used as a reference line to indicate the aircraft's heading or direction. The pilot aligns the lubber line with the desired heading to determine the aircraft's orientation relative to magnetic north. The lubber line helps the pilot read the compass accurately and maintain the desired course. 8590. Which of the following will cause inaccuracies in a magnetic compass that may be compensated for by an aircraft mechanic? A. Deviation. B. Current. C. Variation. The correct answer is A. That's correct. When conducting a compass swing, the compensators are used to correct for deviations caused by the aircraft's own magnetic fields. These deviations can be caused by various factors, such as the presence of ferrous materials, electrical systems, or other magnetic sources within the aircraft. The compensators are adjusted to minimize these deviations and ensure that the compass needle aligns as closely as possible with magnetic north. By compensating for these localized magnetic fields, the compass provides a more accurate indication of the aircraft's heading. 8591. What will be the result if the instrument static pressure line becomes disconnected inside a pressurized cabin during cruising flight? A. The altimeter and airspeed indicator will both read low. B. The altimeter and airspeed indicator will both read high. C. The altimeter will read low, and the airspeed indicator will read high. The correct answer is A. If an instrument static pressure line becomes disconnected inside a pressurized cabin, the altimeter will indeed indicate a lower altitude. This is because the static pressure sensed by the altimeter is reduced, resulting in an artificially lower reading. Similarly, the increased static pressure inside the airspeed indicator case due to pressurization will cause it to read low. The inaccurate readings in both instruments are a result of the disrupted pressure reference caused by the disconnected static pressure line. It is important to promptly address such issues to ensure accurate and reliable instrument indications.